In this session, we are going to do another writing task in task 2, which, as you know, is the essay writing. Here we are going to look at a different kind of topic. So let's see what topic it is. The topic is, people naturally resist making change in their lives. What kind of problem can this cause? What solutions can you suggest? Give reasons for your answer and relevant examples from your experience. So let us first try to understand the task. As we always do in writing, it is important to understand the topic. Now, here we have a topic of a different nature. It is what we call a problem solution kind of topic. Let us first consider the statement given there. The statement is, people naturally resist making changes in their lives. This is the statement. But we see that this is a general statement. It means that all people probably do not like to have change in their lives. So the point that we need to ask is that do all people resist change at all times, or do some people and on some occasions? So a general statement that is given in the topic has to be examined. We have to think carefully about it. So the questions that we have here, going back to the topic, what kinds of problems can this cause? What solutions can you suggest? So we have questions here. And let us see if that is a good way of attempting this task. What shall we do? That the questions in this topic can be the basis of your essay. So you can try to answer these questions. So first of all, let's try and ask some questions. And then we also have to define the concept of change. Please understand that when you have a topic like this, which is of a more general or abstract nature, then it is a good idea to define the concept. Let us be clear about the concept. And here it is the concept of change. What do we actually mean by change? So change means some kind of alteration in the circumstances. That first, if something is done in one way, then it changes to something else. As we know, we talk about the seasons changing, or we talk about certain kinds of changes that come about in our lives, like change of job, or change of city, or change of residence, right? So all these are changes. So once we are clear about what the concept of change is, then we can try to write some sentences on that. So you can write these sentences as a form of answering this question, what is change? So please do this exercise. In this exercise, you will complete the sentence. Change. What is change? Change is dash. So here, complete the sentence in whichever way you would like to change that sentence or complete that sentence. So change is sometimes also defined through some quotation. For example, it is said that the only constant thing in the world is change. Change is the law of life. So some quotation like that or some general proverb or saying like that can also be put over here. Then the next question. Why do people not like change in their lives? So please understand that if you think about it a little deeply, you will see that although change is so frequent in our lives, all the time our lives are changing, still people do not like change. They do not like to change. So why do people not like to change? So people do not like to change because, complete the sentence. What do you think are the reasons why people do not like to change? Do you think that they are afraid to change? That could be one reason. So you can write a sentence like, people do not like to change, or they do not like change in their lives because they feel afraid. Or you can make a sentence, people do not like change in their lives because they are insecure, or that they do not know what is to happen in the future. So these are possible answers that you can give to this question. Try to write down 2 or 3 sentences which will help you to understand this problem. Now, these very answers, these sentences that you write to question number 1, what is change? And question number 2, why do people not like change in their lives? The answers to these questions will in fact become the first sentences of your introductory paragraph. So, your problem is solved here, that how to start the essay. If you write the answers to these questions here, you will get the sentences that you need to use in your introductory paragraph. Then you can go on to the next part.